Oh my god. I don't look old. Pause. Oh, this thing is so painful. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys, this is ugly. Nobody prepares you for this thing. It's like you're using a tweezer to pick out the hairs on your face. I don't know if you'll be able to see this well. Don't do this if you have tender pimples. You will literally rip off a layer from your skin. Look at all that stuff. Hair looks old, hair looks young. It says that it makes you look 10 years younger. I say apply oil first. This is so painful, guys. I can't do this, guys. No, I don't. So I'm working on a clean face. I literally just had my bath. No cream, nothing. I just put lip gloss. I want to, this is hot water. So I want to steam my face, like put my face over, cover my head and let my pores open. That's basically it. So I'm going to do this for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes just to open up my pores. Oh my god. I don't know why my face looks like this, but this is so hard. Let me see. This took about 30 minutes or less to dry. This part is not dry yet. Oh. Be sure to peel from your chin upwards to your forehead, not the other way around. Oh my god, that is painful. Oh. This thing is painful. It actually does unclog your pores. Oh, this thing is so painful. It's so painful. P.S. I have a very high pain tolerance. Oh, I think it's taking off the hair on my face. Oh, I don't know if I'll be able to feel this. This so painful. It's like you're using a tweezer to pick out the hairs on your face. So I think this also shades your face. Oh my god, this is so painful. Oh, on a scale of 1 to 10, the pain is an 8 or a 9. Oh, this is painful. Guys, I can't do this. I can't do this. This thing is painful. Let me stretch my face first. I don't look old. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys, this is ugly. I can't even laugh. The laugh is so painful. Okay. Oh guys, I don't know if I would even recommend you do this. I don't know if you'll be able to see this well. The gog, all the dirt on my face. I don't know if I would tell you to apply oil first. This is so painful guys. The level of pain, guys, this pain is an 11 out of 10. I take my words back. Ooh. Don't do this if you have tender pimple, because you will hurt yourself. You will literally rip off a layer from your skin and expose all your pimple. This is painful. This is taking longer than I expected. Okay. At this point I feel like washing my face, but my pores do feel clean. I think we can just get the results from here, but I really want to take off the one on my nose, the one on my cheeks. I think, let me just close my eye and do this. I put on my brows. I think, hey, I think I'm going to wax my brows. This thing can pass for a wax, honestly guys. It's painful. Don't do this. I just want to cut this off. I'm not sure I'm seeing all the blackheads. Check who. All these people, are they lying to me? Check guys, can you see anything? If this video is a fail, I'll be sad. The nose, I feel like all the juice is going to be on the nose, so I want to remove every other part. This thing is painful. Nobody prepares you for this pain. The pain level of this thing is a solid 15 out of 10. Cancel that 11. Cancel that 11. It's a solid 15 out of 10. So how do these people just peel it off flawlessly on camera? Because I saw like 1 or 2 like TikTok, maybe YouTube and TikTok, and they were doing it with so much ease, but nobody ever says that this thing is painful. Don't do this, children. Don't do this at home, please. Ooh. It does clear your pores. Look at all that. Look at all that stuff. Yeah. See, all of that from my skin. Let me take off the nose, which is where all the juice is. Yeah, look at all that. Yes, yeah. It does bring out all your blackheads and whiteheads, but I don't think the pain is worth it for some people. I just look like a clown. Hair looks old, hair looks young. Actually, it says that it makes you look 10 years younger. I see. I mean, look at that. My eyes are so sensitive. Oh, I don't think you can have any. I can't do this, guys. No, I don't. Let me see how far. This thing is still painful, but the water has helped. It's no more as strong as it was, but it's still painful, guys. This side is actually pinning me. I think the water is melting it down. Thank God. Lesson definitely learned the hard way. Folks, don't do this. Going with a cotton pad and rose water, just because I need something to cool and calm my face down. I've seen it all. I've been through it today. So just rose water and some cotton pad, just because I think I've just waxed my face and I need either rose water or aloe vera just to calm my face and my skin. My skin is literally hot. To be fair though, I would say that it did the job, because my skin feels smooth actually, and my pores actually look, I don't know, it's not translating so well on camera, but my pores do look emptier. It looks like it did empty my pores a bit. I won't even say 100%. Maybe when I do it consistently, but I'm not doing it consistently. So I'm just going in with my toner. I don't know if this skincare is working for me anymore, guys. Plus, I've not even been consistent. This is like for this week now. This is probably the first time I'm using it, and today is Wednesday. I would normally do this, but I'm too tired for that. I just want to be done with this video. Next is the vitamin C serum. Face cream. I want to say thank you for watching this video. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. This is just about it. There's nothing more. Do I recommend with the level of pain? I don't think so. But if I'm ever doing this again, is just on my nose and this place. That's all. Like just on my T-zone actually, because it was less painful when I was peeling off from here, my nose. That's why I think initially I had said the pain level was 8 or 9 when I was peeling off, until I got to this side under my eye and I couldn't bear it any longer. But if you want to do this, I don't even know what tips to give you, because I just eyeballed it. This is my first time, so I don't even have any advice. Please don't do it. Just get a face mask and like a proper face mask and use, or you can go for facials, or just if you want to DIY it, there's a lot of pain. You can go ahead and do it, but it's very painful. So I would advise that you just apply on your nose, your T-zone basically, just areas where you're prone to have blackheads or whiteheads. But every other part, ignore your hairline. In fact, if possible, just do like this. Don't put it here, because the hair here will pain you. Excuse the noise. Just, that's basically it. Please don't take my word for it. Just buy a face mask or whatever. But on the good side though, I would say that it does what it's supposed to do, because my pores are actually empty. My face feels like really soft. Like I could see it on the sheet I peeled off. I could see like the little white heads and hairs and all of that. But for the level of pain, this is just like a once a month kind of thing, or even once in 2 months kind of thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. I've made all the mistakes on your behalf. The same thing I did with my hair when I went to relax it. I've messed up on your behalf. Just save yourself the stress, please. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.